Mathematics D1, Chapter 1, Primes, Highest Common Factors and Lowest Common Multiples, Lesson 1. First, let us talk about factors. A number that divides the given number exactly and leaves no remainder is a factor of that given number. Here is an example. The first two factors of 18 are 1 and 18 itself. Next factor pair of 18 is 2 and 6. We can also write 6 times 2 since it gives us the same answer, like this. So 1, 2, 6 and 18 are the factors of 18, and 18 is a multiple of all these numbers because it goes in their tables. Secondly, we have prime numbers. It can be any positive integer that have only two factors, that is 1 and that number itself. Here are the first 5 prime numbers: 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. Let's take an example of 5. It has only two factors, 1 and 5 itself. So 5 is a prime number. Then composite numbers. These numbers have more than two factors. For example, 15. Here are the factor trees of 15. Remember that factors come in pairs. The factor pairs of 15 is 3 and 5, the first factor pair, and the second factor pair is 15 itself and 1. So here are all the factors: 1, 3, 5 and 15. Next we have whole numbers. These numbers can be written without a fraction. These include 0 and all the positive integers. Here is a diagram to give a visual idea. First you have integers that include both negative and positive numbers. The whole numbers, which have 0 and only the positive integers. And lastly, natural numbers, which include only the positive integers. You can see 0 is not there. Now we have two divisions of whole numbers, that are even numbers and odd numbers. So even numbers are the ones that can go into 2 times table completely. They are divisible by 2, means there is no remainder when you divide them by 2. Examples are 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Then we have odd numbers. Odd numbers are not completely divisible by 2. You always get 1 as a remainder whenever you divide an odd number by 2. Take example of 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 and so on. Thinking time. Explain why 0 and 1 are neither prime nor composite numbers. Try to answer the question based on what you have learned from this video, and feel free to share the answer in the comments. I'll share the correct answer in the next video.